All right, Dragons, last 6 problems. Here we go. Freshman class, Bowie High School hired Austin Music Band to play at their end of the school dance. Tickets are being sold for $12 each. The table shows the net incomes for the first 6 days of sales. Okay, so whenever we're taking a look at this, here's day 1, day 2, day 3, day 4, day 5, day 6. That's it. So, because these are distinct ordered pairs for this limited time frame, you notice we don't have any information for day 1.5 or day 4.1 or day 5.75. This is it. So what we're going to do in order to find the range, we're simply going to look at my distinct 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Got 6 days, I have 6 incomes. And so these are going to be the specific ones that I am looking for. I am not going to use the inequality notation right here, and this is going to be the answer that I choose. Okay. The next one is a direct variation. You remember what a direct variation is? Direct variation is a line who goes through the origin. So that's why I have a direct variation. The slope is called the constant of variation, so those are interchangeable. So basically, I'm going to come over here and I'm going to find the slope. So I'm going to do a rise over run. I'll go up 16. And then I go to the right, what's that, 40? And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to reduce my fraction. 16 over 40 reduces to 2/5. And then I'm going to look over here and say, what do I have over here? I have time, which is, let's see, what do I talk in minutes? And so time is the x-axis, so the x variable gets replaced by a t, and the y-axis is bottles, which gets replaced by b. And so now if I take a look at what I've created, I come over here and I see that my answer is going to be answer choice C. All right, come over here. We read the problem. And it says, what's the rate of change? I need my slope. So the slope is the number in front of the variable. This problem is, after distribution, is going to have a 0.63 m. Okay, C is your dependent variable, m is your independent variable. Remember, whatever you solve for is dependent. Your independent variable coefficient is going to be your rate of change. That's all I got to do. I don't even have to worry about simplifying or solving. What is the number that's in front of the independent variable? And it's 0.36, so that's the rate of change. The next problem, all we're going to do now here, which regression experiment. So if we take a look at this, we can go through and we can plug these into our y equal button and go to our table and see which one fits the table. So if I come down here and look at answer choice D, if I haven't already given it away, whoa, where did that come from? Let's clear that out. That's not what I had typed in there originally. Must have accidentally hit a button with my hand here. So it's 485 times the base of 1/2 raised to the t power. So I have this right here. I go to my table. So if I start over here, 0, 485. What do I have in the problem? I've got 0, 500. That's close. These aren't going to be exact. You get close. On the calculator, I get 1,242, 232. Not as close, but still in the ballpark. Next one is 2, 121 on the calculator. That one's pretty close. 3, on the calculator, I get 60. I got 63. And then on 4 on the calculator, I get 30. That's spot on over here. This is the closest one that that's going to create this table. Again, don't just check the first 2 values. Check them all. All right. What is the value of the y-intercept? And in exponential, when we have a problem like this, my y-intercept is the number in front of the base. There's your y-intercept. And we finally made it to our last one. As we take a look at this, which inequality has the same solution set as the graph below? Well, let's just check the first one. This has a solid line and it's above, shaded above. That has potential, doesn't it? Do I have a y-intercept of -4? Yes, I do. Do I have a negative slope? Yes, I do. Is it down 1 and right 3? Yes, it is. Hallelujah. That's my answer. All right. So, on to end number 30. All right. I got this. Write that down for me, okay? And you'll do fantastic. Study over the weekend. Look at the anchor chart slideshows. Look over your notes. Get a good night's sleep. Eat a good breakfast. Remember, use your calculator. Anytime you have y equals, throw that thing in your calculator. Look at the graph. Look at the table. Look at your formula chart. And whenever you can, draw a picture. Draw it out. See what's going on. You do all right.